Yannick, can you dance?
Dance, Luke. Like Eagle Pickle. Eagle Pickle dance.
Yannick, can you dance? Can you guys hug? Yannick, go give Luke a big hug. Go give Luke a big hug.
Hugs, Luke.
Yannick, go give Luke a big hug. Luke, give Yannick a hug.
Luke, hug. Kiss.
On your mark, get set,
Go.
go! Where are you going? You gonna race? Okay, go, go, go! Race, race!
The bruiser. Get him, Yannick.
Kangaroo versus tiger.
Who will win?
I
This
don't know.
epic battle of kangaroo
The
versus
tiger's
tiger.
pretty young and timid.